David Denman is an American actor. He made his film debut in The Replacements. His other feature credits include Big Fish, Fair Game, The Nines, Shutter, Smart People, Fanboys, Let Go, Out Cold, After Earth, Jobs, Beneath the Harvest Sky, Men, Women, and Children, The Gift, 13 Hours, Power Rangers, Logan Lucky, Puzzle and Brightburn. On television, Denman is most widely known for the role of Roy Anderson, the ex-fiancé of Pam Beesly on the NBC sitcom The Office, for which he earned a SAG award as a member of the ensemble cast. Denman was born in Newport Beach, California. He attended 8 different schools while growing up all over Southern California. His family moved to Sequim, Washington, when he was 9 to live on a farm, which lasted 2 years before they returned to Orange County, California. He graduated from Fountain Valley High School, where classmates included actor Omar Metwally and writer-director Craig Brewer. He later attended the Summer Training Congress at American Conservatory Theater in San Francisco, California. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.